Glam Fam! So today we are going to be doing a super exciting thing, something that I haven't done on my channel ever, and that is do a review and a try on of some shapewear. I've been really wanting to try on some new shapewear. If you just need that extra boost of confidence, it's really nice. And today we are going to be trying out Honeylove, their shapewear. It's like the creme de la creme of shapewear. It is supposed to be super well made and super comfortable and also give you a very nice shape. So if you are new here, hello, my name is Josie. I hope you will click that subscribe button down there to become part of the Glam Fam. I post new videos every single week, and let's jump into this. By the way, I did do this look on my channel if you would like to see how I achieved it. Here is my package of Honeylove. We got 3 shapewears, which I am so excited about. We got the first one, which is the Queen Brief. This one is white, and I actually wore it on my wedding day, and I actually really liked it. Another thing that I really love about this brand is that the ribbing of this shapewear is very pliable, and it's not gonna, like, you know, try to kill you. If you're familiar with some of your shapewear doing that, then you know where I'm coming from. And this also has the bra secures as well. Here is the Queen Brief on. Once again, it gives me really nice curves and just smooths and helps everything out, if you know what I mean, okay? I also got the SuperPower short shapewear, and this one is a little bit different. It is not a brief, but it is kind of like a half bodysuit that goes almost down to your knees, but it's not like the regular bodysuits that you see, you know, on Facebook or whatnot. The thigh part of the shapewear is actually super breathable. It's almost kind of like a thicker, more durable nylon or stocking, if that makes sense. It's super comfortable, and I really like that it connects to your bra so that it can't fall down, it can't move, which is super nice. It's very smoothing on the front and also the back area. I haven't had any problems while I'm wearing it. It doesn't ride up on the thigh, and it also doesn't roll down on the waist. And then the other one is the SuperPower Brief. This one is also a brief style, and this is in the color nude. It has a extra layer, if you will, in the middle of the shapewear so that it's a little bit more tougher to kind of hold everything in. It's super nice, and I really love this pair as well. This one, guys. This one is super comfy. Well, they're all comfy, but you know. Alright guys, so that is it for this review. I absolutely love Honeylove. I think they have some amazing products, and you can see for yourself that they actually do work and also are super comfortable. If you guys would like to get your hands on some, I will leave their link / website in the description below, and you guys can go check them out. So I will see you guys in the next video. I love you. Bye! Mwah!